There are times that you just want to begin a paragraph at the top of a new page. Word allows you to format a paragraph so that that will always occur. As you are creating your documents, there may be certain types of paragraphs that should always begin at the top of a page. For instance, you may have a certain paragraph format that you use for section headings. Your page design calls for all sections to begin at the top of a page, so you must come up with a way to ensure this always happens. Well, there's two ways that you can do this. The first is to search for each section heading and manually insert a page break before each of the heads. Well, this can be time-consuming. It's much easier to format the paragraph so it always begins on a new page. All you have to do is position the insertion point within the paragraph that you want to affect and make sure that the Home tab of the ribbon is displayed. Click the small icon at the bottom right corner of the paragraph group, and you see the paragraph dialog box appear. Now we're going to jump over to the Line and Page Breaks tab. And all we have to do is choose Page Break Before, right here. Now when I click on OK, notice that this header jumped all the way to the next page automatically. I scroll back up, you can see that there is no page break before it. If I turn on the non-printing characters, you can see that there is no page break in there. We just have this paragraph that is starting at the top of a new page because we've instructed that that's where it should start. Now, using page breaks before your section heads is even more automatic if you use a style for all of the heads. All you need to do is format the style so that the head will always have a page break before it. Then every time you use that heading style, Word inserts the requisite page break and your layout looks just like you want it to. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.